Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a DIY blanket ladder. So here is my boyfriend and his brother cutting wood. They're just using a little jigsaw. I would recommend a table saw, but this is just a DIY at home with what I had and it's portable, so we're just using this little jigsaw. We're just cutting, we measured it out with pencil and a tape measure and we're cutting them at equal lengths. Here I am going to stain this. And I'm going to test this stain on a piece of wood before I actually do my, I don't even know what you call them, the steps of the ladder before I actually stain those, because I want to know if I like this stain. Which I do, so I go ahead and go along with that stain. Now I do recommend using a rag or like a t-shirt or something that you can rip up, that you don't mind to throw away, because stain is very messy and it's fumey, so after you're done you're going to have to throw everything away, and you're going to want to wear gloves because you don't want to get this on your skin. As you see, I'm stroking in the same direction and making sure that there's not any running at places where the stain is running down and dripping. Okay, here we are. We're drilling holes into the wood so we can prevent from splitting and cracking on the wood. And you see we measured out and we traced the boards so we know where to drill those holes at and where to guide the screw. Here we are actually drilling the screw into the board itself, and I just recorded this part because you're just going to repeat this step all the way down on both sides of the ladder. And here it is, guys, all done. I hope y'all really like it. I know I really enjoyed this project. It turned out perfect. Give me a like and a subscribe. Leave a comment if you liked it or didn't, and give me some tips because I'm not a pro at this. So y'all have a good day. Bye, guys.